my name's Mark Grubert. I'm a Senior Fisheries Scientist with the Fisheries section of the Department of Resources with the Northern Territory Government, and today I'll give an overview of the Northern Territory Aquarium Fishery. So the Northern Territory Aquarium Fishery harvests a range of plant, fish and invertebrate species from freshwater, estuarine and oceanic waters of the Northern Territory. Examples include the giant clams and scribbled angelfish here. It is a small-scale fishery limited to 12 licences that permit the collection, sale and display of aquarium species. There are also separate licences that only permit the trade or public display of aquarium species. Licensees are not permitted to harvest products from protected areas, sacred sites, aquaculture leases or sanctuary zones. In terms of effort reporting, aquarium fishers are required to report the latitudes and longitudes of their harvesting activities, and this spatial data is closely monitored to avoid potential cases of localised depletion, particularly with regard to sensitive species like corals and giant clams. For the catch reporting, the harvest of most fishes and invertebrates is quantified by numbers where practical, whereas the coral harvest is quantified by weight. And there are strict limits on the harvest of many species taken by the Northern Territory Aquarium Fishery. Aquarium fishers are required to report their catch to the lowest practical scientific taxon, and this is often quite difficult given the diversity of species such as corals and the physical similarities between some species such as the fishes in the example on the right here. Given these difficulties, the Department of Resources produces and/or recommends reference material to assist in the correct identification of aquarium species. And examples here are the Aquarium Fish ID booklet that we put together a few years ago, and also the more recent Indo-Pacific Coral Finder, which is a quick, ready reference to corals, and it's a waterproof publication that divers can use whilst they're underwater.
Hello, my name's Steve Matthews. I'm an Aquatic Resource Manager with Northern Territory Fisheries and the Department of Resources. I'd just like to talk to you briefly today about sustainable management in the Northern Territory Aquarium Fishery. To begin with, the Northern Territory Aquarium Committee is the peak body that represents licensees in the fishery. The Aquarium Committee works closely with the Department of Resources to ensure the long-term sustainable use of all aquarium products. To ensure that this fishery continues to grow within sustainable limits, the Aquarium Committee and the Department of Resources have agreed to a number of performance indicators, performance measures, triggers, management objectives and management actions for the fishery. This means that if any of the triggers are reached within the fishery, the management arrangements will be changed to ensure that the fishery remains sustainable for the long term. Based on these agreed terms, the fishery was first assessed against the Commonwealth's EPBC Act in 2005, and it was subsequently accredited as a wildlife trade operation in that year. The wildlife trade accreditation recognises that the fishery operates within sustainable limits and allows for the ongoing export of products such as coral from the fishery. The Wildlife Trade Operation Declaration also involves industry, the Department of Resources and the Commonwealth, all agreeing to a number of recommendations that will see a process of continuous improvement within the fishery. In summary, the public should be assured that the continued health and well-being of the Territory's unique aquatic life forms a cornerstone for the NT Aquarium Fishery to operate within. Thank you.